Welcome. We are going to be checking out how to use Pinterest's new dynamic creative ads. The goal of today's video is to explain how Pinterest's dynamic creative ads work, how they perform, and then also I'm going to give you all some tips to get the most from your Pinterest dynamic creative ads to improve your business. Obviously, marketing on Pinterest can really help you connect with your audience and grow your online business. But before now, there hasn't been a great, easy way to create personalized content for segments of your audience. Pinterest dynamic ads change all of that. Their dynamic creative ads create multiple versions of the same pin. So that's content like your product descriptions and your prices. And each version is designed to appeal to a different segment of your audience. So this could be any sort of segment. It might be age demographics. So you have one segment of your audience that's a bit older and one segment that's a bit younger. Maybe it's gender demographics. Your product appeals to both men and women, but that doesn't mean that your advertising needs to focus on them together. This type of personalization really helps your users feel seen, and it can definitely increase engagement. So Pinterest dynamic creative ads allow you to pull content from your digital assets. So these are things that you've already created. And the ads are personalized automatically using real-time audience data. So that means that you're not sorting out the different age groups, or you're not sorting out what the different genders prefer. Pinterest has AI that's doing that for you, and it can create those targeted ads from scratch very quickly. So to create some of these dynamic ads, you'll need to use one of the advertising platforms that are partnered with Pinterest. So there's 3 here right now you can check out: Stitcher Ads, RevJet, and Smartly.io. All 3 of them offer the optimization services for social media advertising to create those Pinterest dynamic ads. So we'll take a look at one really quickly, Stitcher Ads. So Stitcher Ads, you can upload new digital images, or you can choose images that you've already uploaded to your Pinterest feed. Then their AI combines those images with the real-time audience data from your Pinterest followers to create the ads. Obviously, all of this is really new, but there is some really promising data out there. For example, we're seeing about a 55% increase in the conversion rate, which is fantastic, and an average decrease of 7% in cost per purchase. Obviously, from the get-go, this seems like it's a really promising development that we should all be taking advantage of. But as is the case with any type of social media advertising, make sure that you're always checking out your ad metrics and performance so you can tweak things as needed and ensure that your ads are doing what you want them to do. Here's a few top tips for Pinterest dynamic creative ads. Obviously, keep all of your ads consistent. You need to make sure that your branding really shows so that you're recognizable. So that should be the same logo, the same fonts, the same overlays. You can use the AI to create really, really personalized ads. So you could base it on a specific district. So like a specific zip code. You could base it on the weather. You could base it on location of the nearest Walmart. It's completely up to you, whatever seems to make sense based on the type of content and products that you create. And then don't forget, you can actually advertise multiple products within a single pin. So this can really help you get the most bang for your buck with your advertising dollars. If you could use more of these helpful tips and actionable steps to leverage your Pinterest and grow your business, check out my free downloadable guide. It's got everything you need to increase your sales and speed up your marketing process. It'll show you concrete ways to define your target market, tips and tricks to create exciting Pinterest products, and useful information to create catchy hashtags. You can get this free guide on my website, amyharrop.com/go/Pinterest-guide. Definitely check it out for more actionable Pinterest content.